Pop in, miss.
A pop in, me a go.
All right, take a seat. No, man, take a seat from the back. The front seat of is safe is somebody bigger than you.
What you mean? It not the same fare with them.
No, 8 people me carry upon one trip.
8 how we in a one Probox.
Yes. Yes.
Me not go in a back go get squeeze up.
Come on, get in at the back.
Me not go in a back go get no squeeze up about 8 you carry how. I must span your head and that's why police always a running you down.
What we are chat about? Me a try help you.
Help, you must mad.
As a matter of fact, miss, me na carry you. Me na carry you. Papin, come here.
Excuse me, though, miss.
Hey, what you do?
Hey, you wanna remember for subscribing now?
One more. Probox the full yet. Come in, man, shake up. Drive and I left nobody.
Driver, hear me now. 2 are we already pack up on the front seat like sardine.
And what happened? Everybody reach them destination.
Bridge where? You want put the one more upon me head too? Or him a go drive the car for you?
Of course him can drive too. Me a go sit down in the trunk if me have because me not left nobody. I saw taxi run. And why you think this? You think a human care?
You too craven for money, sir.
Craven! Me better tell all who come out of me car then. Driver, you too bad-minded man. Bad-minded? Or now you sit up on the road if I never for me.
Yo, easy new driver.
One more, part more. Halfway tree. One more.
Driver, stop the car, make me come out.
I saw no bad mind. Me not tap no car ya so. Cause anytime me stop somebody else I go run down with me passenger there.
Take time drive no man, me want reach home alive.
Me know me desperate fi go work, but Jesus Christ. If you know see me drive rough, but don't come in ya fast. Early morning me there ya hustle. And don't come disturb me peace.
This table for peace. A war zone this. It better me report you to the police, cause you careless.
Police fi who? Police fi who? All enough fi drive your own car.
You hear that? Him no business with safety.
Every day, you still go out like a taxi man at the enemy.
Easy now. 1-1. Nobody na left him, me get every dollar.
Driver, remember say you nearly kill me with them portfolio. You are robbery driver.
Pay up, no argument. Stop complain, man. Tomorrow morning when we go run, come back in your same way. I went out, pretty lady. You soon come back?
Come back. You really want me to travel back with you after that the ride?
Of course. Remember say me the only one way turn off and go a you bush so you shan't do without me.
Driver, you're too bright enough.
Right a truth me a talk. Who a go carry you home faster than me?
You sure about that?
Me no know she might be right.
Faster? Faster if you dead, maybe.
Hear them now. But tomorrow morning, all I unu still a go stand up on the roadside. I shout, driver! Yo, the ride sweet, you know?
Cause taxi scarce.
Exactly. So respect the Probox king.
Driver, how much for you charter go downtown? Me have to go RGD.
Downtown, a 5,000 that.
5,000? Driver, you mad? What kind of price that?
Why you mean? Me have to come off of the road fi carry you.
But
Miss, member say if me stay up on the road right now, me would have done make 5 trip already.
But driver, downtown no far, so 5 trip when you don't even move yet.
Cause me a wait for passenger. Business have to run.
5,000 still, that don't make sense.
You want the ride or not? Time or money?
Alright then, me I go pay the 5,000. Come make we go now.
Hold on a little bit though. One more passenger can fit.
Driver, a charter the car.
That is, but gas expensive. Downtown halfway tree.
No, miss. A charter a car. Driver, what you do?
See there? That a blessing.
Blessing for who?
For me pocket. Honestly, one more still can squeeze in.
And one more? Driver, how much people you want put in ya? Me shoulda order bike taxi.
Bike taxi? You see how son that you would have dead before you reach. Have little patience, man. You say, ever see sardine I saw Jamaica survive.
Me change me mind.
What? You know how much people might turn back because I
Me not care.
process people you see.
Alright, I don't want to see how I struggle to make them videos. Stay tuned, cause the bloopers are in. You're gonna see all of the stress I'm gonna go through. Like really go through. From them not knowing what to say to them creating a fake accent. But not even match what I tell them to do. Stay tuned.
Me not go in a back go get squeeze about 8 how?
And that why police always around on the down. As a matter of fact, miss, me not carry you. One more. Probox the full yet. Come in, man, shake up. Drive and I left nobody. Bus full up. Where you put them?
Yo, me try and breathe back here. I'm not too loud.
Hush, sister. Jamaica this squeeze up.
Lord Jesus, man, you mad? It better report you to the police and no.
Police for who? Police for who? Every day, you still go out like a taxi man at the enemy.
Cause every day you drive like you're in a Fast and Furious.
I better you when me here.
Real good. Nobody not drop on the Probox today. You soon reach downtown halfway tree. One more can fit.
Don't say charter me charter the car.
Driver downtown.
Down.
Man, she's me didn't say that. That bless.
Before me end this video, I just want to say thanks to everybody that support the channel. Even the people that will come and laugh and criticize me love in the same way. Honestly, I just started this channel and me try build something from nothing. And I know say every video now gonna connect and every video now gonna be perfect and not everybody gonna understand the accent, right? But eventually it's getting better and that's the aim, to be better at what you do. I just want to create videos where people can laugh at after a stressful day. And every little view, comment and share a subscription really help push the channel forward more than you probably realize. So if you genuinely enjoy the videos and want to support the journey, make sure you subscribe, watch another video and share with somebody when need a laugh today. And what I really appreciate, just comment, drop in the comment section which part you come from, which part of the video you're reaching from, where are you watching from. Drop it in the comments and big up on yourself.